Hello everyone! Welcome to our Valentine's Day special today. You can see these beautiful flowers that my gracious husband got me for Valentine's Day. They smell so good, except for he broke one of them. But today we're gonna make chocolate peanut butter oatmeal bars, no bake. And I'm super excited, so check it out and follow along. Subscribe. We're getting a little tired over here, so okay, don't worry. Woo! Okay, we are good now. Okay, so turn my phone on, look at the recipe. Okay. Okay, so we need 1/2 cup peanut butter. Okay, the best part about this recipe, it doesn't use eggs because eggs are so expensive these days, so we stray away from that. So we need 1/2 cup peanut butter. We're gonna get the supplies and restart. Okay, stop it. Okay, first step, number 1, is we're going to microwave the peanut butter and honey together. I'm using ChatGPT for this recipe. So the peanut butter and the honey, it got those ingredients kind of hard sometimes. We're gonna mix them together. So I'm gonna get my spatula here, right there, yeah. Things okay if things get messy and things go flying, because that's just part of cooking, okay? So I'm 1/2 cup peanut butter. So I'm gonna grab the 1/2 cup and I'm gonna put peanut butter in it. This can be kind of challenging. This recipe is for advanced people, advanced bakers. I think the most challenging part is actually making the peanut butter go in the measuring cup, which is very important because we don't have peanut butter to spare around here. Really dig in there, get your hands all dirty. And my sweatshirt, oh wow. It's just, did we wash our hands before this? I don't think so.
It's not coming out.
Okay, so I got my peanut butter all ready. Just don't fling it everywhere because that can make a bigger mess than we already have. Wow, I got something in my throat back there. Okay, we forgot a bowl. So we need a bowl to put the peanut butter. It's such hard work. Ow! Did anyone tell you how hard baking is? It just really takes that out of me. Good thing I didn't have anything else going on today. Get the spatula. Get the teaspoon out of the bowl. Okay, got that. Next we need 1/2 cup of honey. So I'm gonna grab the honey on the right of me, yep. And the 1/2 cup, which is, oh wait, I can't remember if I need a 1/4 cup or a 1/2 cup. My hands are a little Okay, made it back. And there goes. Oh, this is a very tiring. Wow. You can see how much honey I need. 1/4 cup. Good thing we didn't do 1/2 cup. Yeah. Get that in. Oh, oh. It's not good. That's good. Oh, it's hard work. Okay, put that down. Now we're gonna get the spatula without knocking flowers. Sometimes the flowers are so beautiful, but they're just in the way. Okay. Good, yeah. We gotta melt this. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. Okay. seconds. Yeah, so we just, so, yeah. Okay, it's done. Beep, beep, beep. Get that out of the microwave. Careful, because the honey is really hot and it's gonna fall out of the bowl. There, yep. Okay, now I need to stir it together. Okay. Great. 1.5 cups oats. Yeah, that's great. Yep. Okay, now we need a cup. Okay. I'll make sure the oats are really just need salt and vanilla, and we're done. So we're gonna do the rest of this off camera, and we will show you the results. Woo! Bye bye. Delicious.